Hello lovely people, I welcome you all to KONADU'S kitchen. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Today I'm going to prepare a simple yet nutritious and natural special pineapple, ginger, lime and honey juice. And this is very healthy and refreshing drink, and it is also super tasty. Now let's get busy. Okay, for today's recipe I'm going to use ginger, salt, my local honey, lemon or lime, you can choose to use any of it, and my pineapple. Okay, so I have my bowl of water. I will then add salt to it. Okay, so the salt will help take off any microorganisms in the ingredients, especially with the ginger. So I mix my salts with the water. You can use vinegar if you don't have salt. Okay, so I wash my pineapple thoroughly, my ginger as well. You know the ginger is full of dust, so I need to wash it well. I have my lemon and lime. I do same to them, so you can see the dust in it. Okay, I then begin by peeling the skin off the pineapple. Okay, so I have to peel off everything from it. Then I divide it into two and chop them into pieces together with the core. Others leave out the core, but I choose to add the core to it. So I chop them into pieces together with the core. Okay, so here we are. Okay, I do same to that of the ginger. I cut them into pieces. So I have my pineapple, I have my ice cubes, I have my lemon and my ginger. Okay, so we are about to blend. I put in my pineapple, my ginger. Okay, so this is my ginger. I then squeeze the juice out of the lemon. Remember, you have to take out the seeds. We don't need the seeds, so we take it out and we squeeze out the juice from it. Okay, so I add my cubes as well. Then finally I add a little water to it. Then my local honey. Yes, so that's my local honey. I spread them on it. Okay, then off we go. Okay, so let's start blending. And if you are not too sure about the strength of your blender, considering the fact that the ginger is quite hard, it's going to be a good idea for you to use the pause button for some time before fully blending it. So here we are. This is how it looks like. Yeah, so we have our juice now. So next thing is to strain. We are going to strain out the chaff from it. So as you can see, we are using a strainer to strain the juice so that we get the chaff out of it. Okay. Okay, so here we are. Let me add a little water to it. Okay. Okay. Okay, so here we go. We have the chaff. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like. So this is my ice cubes. Okay, so my juice is ready to be served. So you see how simple and easy it is. I have my lemon to garnish it, then my straw. Okay, so the juice is ready to be served. Remember, Xmas is just around the corner and we'll be having visitors in and out. So serving them with this natural and nutritious juice won't be bad at all compared to the carbonated drinks. Okay, so thank you all for joining me today, and please do well to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Like, share and comment. Okay, so we see you next time. Bye bye.